Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your LUCCA S58 under-counter espresso machine. Step 1. Inspect the box and machine for damage. Remove the machine and under-counter box from their packaging and place them on a solid level surface. We recommend keeping all of the packaging. Inspect the machine for damage. If you find any, contact us immediately. Step 2. Setting up the under-counter box. Note, in order to set up the machine, you'll need a hole in your counter that measures 2 inches in diameter, directly under or behind the machine. Place the under-counter box in the cabinet under the machine, ensuring that it is set on a solid, level surface. This will ensure both safety and silent operation by reducing vibration. Now we'll route this female power cable, the smaller power cable, and the machine's braided line through the hole in the countertop. Connect the 2 power cables to their respective ports on the back of the box as shown. We'll address the braided line in a moment. Step 3. Water quality and plumbing in your machine. Before introducing any water to the machine, it's important to test it and make sure it's adequately soft. Use the included water test strip to verify the softness of your water. Ideally, we're looking for a softness below 50 parts per million. For more information on water, take a look at clivecoffee.com/water, which is linked in the description of this video. Now that we've verified our water is adequately softened and filtered, we'll first connect the water line that extends from the box to the machine on top of the counter. Thread it through the hole in the counter, hand tighten it to the water inlet on the underside of the machine, and then give it a quarter turn with a wrench. At this point, if you plan to use the machine's internal reservoir, you can simply fill it with water now and continue to step 4. If, however, you plan to direct plumb the machine, we'll proceed to fasten one end of the loose braided line to the pump inlet on top of the machine's under-counter case until it's hand tight. Then give it a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench. Fasten the other end of the braided line to your water line. Now we'll turn this valve on the machine's under-counter box such that it points towards the water spout icon. Next, we'll flip this switch on the rear of the box towards its spout icon. Open the water line and check for leaks at all the connection points. Step 4. Turning on the machine and filling your boilers. Plug the machine into the wall and turn it on. Now that the machine is supplied with water and powered on, it will automatically begin filling the boilers. You'll know the boilers are full when you hear the pump shut off. Give the machine at least 20 minutes to come up to temperature. While the PID displays that the water in the boiler is at its target temperature rather quickly, it'll take a little longer for the machine's group head to warm up. At this point, your machine is ready to pull its first shots. With coffee in your portafilter, lock it into the group head and simply lift the brew lever to begin pulling espresso. For more tips on making the best espresso, take a look at our Espresso Essentials video here. And for advice on steaming the best milk, watch our How to Steam Milk Guide. If this video helped you set up your LUCCA S58, be sure to hit the like button. If it didn't, or you have any other questions, be sure to let us know in the comments below. And as always, for more coffee knowledge and machine overviews, hit subscribe.